Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to auto-download Telegram photos and videos on Android phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto-download your Telegram photos and videos on your Android, first open up your Telegram app. And on this interface, guys, after opening your app, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left. And you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Now tap on settings. And this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the data and storage option available for us over here just below the notifications and sounds. Tap on data and storage. Now you can see the auto media download option available for us over here, guys. On this category there it says the three options are available for us, where it says when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Now choose the particular service when you want to download your Telegram photo and videos on your phone. So I have selected the service when connected to Wi-Fi. That means, guys, my Telegram app will only auto download the photos and videos on the chat or when connected to Wi-Fi. You can also do it for the mobile data as well as when roaming. So after you figure this out, guys, you can see there are two options available for us, where it says the storage usage and the data usage. At the top of the screen, we will be required to open the data usage option, which is the second one, and we will be on this interface where it says the all mobile, Wi-Fi, and roaming, guys. Since I had turned off the auto download service for mobile and roaming, we'll be going to the Wi-Fi, but you can do that or auto download Telegram photos on mobile as well as roaming. So let's go to the process on the Wi-Fi first. And on this interface, scroll down and you will find the auto download settings available for us. Tap on that auto download settings and you will be on this interface where you can see it says the types of media, and there is the photos, videos, files, and stories. And now in order to auto download your photos and videos, you need to make sure that the toggle icon available at the right side of photos and videos are turned on. And after turning them on, guys, your photos and videos on your Telegram app on the chat section of your Telegram will start to auto download. And turn that on and your photos and videos on your chats on Telegram will start to auto download. And now let's go back. You can do the similar step for the mobile as well, where it is the auto download media. If you tap on it, it will be turned on and the similar kind of interface will appear. You can choose to turn on the photos toggle icon, and on the toggle icon of the videos, turn it on. And similarly on the roaming as well, you can see there is the auto download settings. You will be able to auto download your media while you're roaming while you're on roaming service if your photos and videos toggle icon is turned on the Telegram section. And with that being said, guys, let's go back and let's go to the Wi-Fi and let's go to the auto download settings by making sure, guys, your photos and videos toggle icon is turned on the Telegram. Your Telegram photos and videos will start to auto download from whichever service you want, either your mobile data or roaming. And that being said, guys, this is how to auto download your Telegram photos and videos on Android. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.